Hey there, I'm Mark and I'm thrilled to have you here with me. Our goal at bike.rent Manager is to make your rental operations sleeker, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. We'll guide you through our software to help you maximize the value you get from bike.rent Manager. Join over 800 teams worldwide, from dynamic global brands to nimble local enterprises who trust in bike.rent Manager. Hi, today I'm going to go over our maintenance area within BRM. The maintenance area allows you to do a number of different things, but the main focus is the ability to track maintenance on every bike or every item in your BRM system. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go take a look at our reservations here. So right now I'm in search mode in the reservation detail panel, and I'm going to click New. This will show me my most recent reservations here. So I can see very easily when I look here that I've got a couple of reservations. Now, this is great if you are the person running the rental counter, running BRM, but your maintenance staff really kind of wants to see some more specific data, mainly how to set bikes up, how to see what's coming in, what reservations will be walking in the door, say on a Saturday morning, and get those bikes ready before those customers show up. This is one of the unique features of BRM here. So we can go over to our maintenance panel. And this is kind of where, your maintenance staff can live. And there are 4 different kind of key components here. One, you can show categories here. So if they just want to see a specific category of bike, they know there's a big gravel event happening or something like that, all the bikes are going to be gravel. Easy to do that. And it's going to show you the gravel bikes here and some of their data. Or maybe you don't want to do that and you only want to go over here and kind of see what bikes are coming in for maybe tomorrow. So we can go hit our prep list button here, set our horizon. I've got mine set out for 14 days, but you can drag this all the way back, and that will eliminate anything that you don't want to see there, all the way back to 1 day. So it's now showing me 2 different reservations here. One of them is a provisional reservation. That means this one's still kind of in the process of being made. It's already showing up here. That means the customer hasn't put their credit card in yet, if they were booking online, which you can tell that they are. So we can go ahead and open it up, though, and you're going to be able to see all of that information here that you need in order to get those bikes prepped. So we've got 2 bikes here. We've got a 6-foot rider, 200 pounds, 25 years old, and then a really tall guy, 6'11" here, 187 pounds, 35 years old. So very easy to go and do that. Go ahead and pull the bikes, get them ready, air the tires, get seat height ready, whatever you need to do, and mark them as prepped. And as soon as you do that, it pops it into marked as prepped. So it's very easy to go back here and see that everything is prepped. So I'll go ahead and mark both of those as prepped. So we know that reservation is now prepped. So that's one very easy sort of pre-usage aspect of BRM in the maintenance panel. A couple other parts of it here. One, you can easily go see broken bikes. So anytime a bike comes back in from a reservation, say somebody broke a derailleur or a shift lever, or whatever it might be, easy to go see that stuff all in one place. I just hit broken, and it's going to show me any broken bikes that have come back right here. At the moment, I don't have any, so nothing broken here. But it will show that, and you'll be able to click on it very easily and then go fix that bike and mark it as repaired, and now it's back in the fleet. It does when you check a bike back in coming from a customer and you mark it as broken, it does remove that for future bookings, but it won't warn you at that very moment that you need to change that. So you do need to just kind of be on the lookout for any future bookings for that exact bike. So you may want to just go swap out any other future bookings for another bike that's like it. Messages, anything that comes back with here's a broken bike here. I have my Turbo Vado here. This was checked back in broken and it has a broken shift lever. So those are your messages, return notes or messages there. So what we can do then is go ahead and open it up. We can easily open the bike from here. It'll take us right to it. And we can then go do a service entry, whatever that might be. And this one was going to be repair shift lever, single shift lever, save it. And as soon as I do that, it bumps you back to ready, makes that bike available again, resets all of your service points here and all of your elapsed time as well, and gives you a full separate service history here of everything that's ever happened to that bike. So you can see the most recent repair there. Now one thing to note for these service points. So what I've got set here in my system is a 10-point usage factor. Every bike starts at 100 service points, and when they hit 50, they start showing up over here in maintenance as far as your usage factor needing service. Now, they may not actually need service, so you can easily just go in and do kind of a quick quick service entry on those, just maybe like a safety check. Easy to do that. You don't want to use this button to do it because it won't reset it. You do need to go make a service entry. Any note you put in here will create a service entry and reset that to 100%. So that's what those service points are there. So when we're in maintenance and we want to see bikes that have come back either broken or broken with messages, you'll see them there. All bikes that are due, and it kind of, when you hover over this, it tells you what's going on here. Less than 50 service points start showing up here. Go touch them. Make sure tires are aired up, chains are lubed, wipe them down, all that good stuff. That keeps your maintenance staff from having to touch every single bike every week or every day, depending on how busy you are. So really, that's about it with the maintenance there. Very easy to use, and thanks so much for joining.